There is a setting on your iPhone that if you enable it, you will prevent others from having access to your Apple account and iCloud, even if they are able to unlock your iPhone and know your password. So welcome back, guys, to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent others from having access to your Apple account and iCloud in the settings. So it means that even if they have access to your iPhone, if they know the password, the passcode, your iPhone passcode, and they are able to unlock it, they won't be able to tap on the My iPhone Here account, which is yours. They won't be able to open it, to change it, or make any changes in it. Not only the Apple account, the iCloud as well. Not only that, option on the top here as well, we have iCloud. So for this, we need to go to screen time here, tap on it and open it. Then scroll down until you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that one. Now make sure if this one is turned off, you got to turn it on. All right, then scroll down until you find allow changes to. Under this, we got to change here the second option, which is accounts. Now tap on that one, and the thing that we are going to change here is we're going to change it from allow to don't allow, and that's it. Now let's go back and see if it is available. Now, if we go to the main page of the settings, now as you can see, guys, now my account, where I have like my name, Apple account, iCloud, and more here is grayed out. Okay, I'm tapping on it, but it is not accessible. So it is grayed out, it is locked. Let's move to the bottom and see iCloud as well here. Yes, it is inaccessible. I can't access it, okay? It is grayed out. Now, to have them back on, to be able to tap on it or to have access to it, you need to go to the screen time, all right? And then scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions again. And you got two ways to turn it off. You can turn off content and privacy restrictions right from here, okay, which is okay. Let's go back and see if it is back. Yeah, they're back. Or you can do this, go back and tap on content and privacy restrictions, keep it on, but scroll down and change accounts from don't allow to allow. One more thing here, guys. Someone would say or ask, okay, you said that no one can will be able to have access to it, but they are able to have access to the settings and change it. That is right, but still we have one more step to do to prevent that. So let's just make the accounts don't allow us again. And here is the thing that you need to change. It is the lock screen time settings here, just under content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it and set a passcode. Now set a screen time passcode. It means that whenever you make one of the changes in the screen time, you need to enter this passcode. Make sure that you remember this passcode once you set it, and make sure it is not like the password that you set to lock and unlock your iPhone. So I'm gonna go with an easy one just for an example here, and let me show you how it works. I'm gonna skip that step. Yeah, just skip this one as well. All right, so let's see. Now I have content and privacy restrictions here. So it is now on. Let's go down. I have accounts don't allow here, right? Let's change it to allow and see if I'm able to do it without that passcode. Just change it to allow. Now enter passcode. I have to enter the screen time passcode. It is the screen time, not the iPhone lock screen password. So once it's entered, I can change it to allow. Now, even guys, if I want to turn off the content and privacy restrictions from here, it will ask me to enter the passcode. But make sure you do this. Okay? If one of you do this and tell me that it didn't ask for the password, it's okay. You need to close the settings, quit the settings, and then reopen it again. Then asking the password will be available again. So that's it. That is one of the most important settings you need to enable for you guys, but make sure you don't forget that screen time passcode. Otherwise, your Apple account and iCloud will be locked, and you won't be able to have access to it. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks and hidden features like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.